Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about the secret code vault. What's inside? Let's go find out soon. So today we're saying how many codes can you make? There's totally not the answer up there. So how many codes can it keep? It's totally not the answer up there. Don't look at it.
Yeah.
Okay? So we're unlocking secret codes and keep your treasure safe from. I'm not telling you. But the answer is right there. Anyway, we're doing math plus engineering plus science. So welcome to the builder, which is me. So what do we get?
Yeah.
So we get the vault base right there.
Tumbler pieces.
The tumbler pieces are inside of here. I should show you guys. Inside there, but you can't really see it right now.
Okay. Tumbler rings.
The tumbler rings is right here, I'm pretty sure. I think one of them is there. The other one is inside. Anyway, the lower dialed ring is underneath inside of there, actually.
Upper dial ring.
The upper dial is this orange part that you see, but the ring is inside.
Wood pieces.
The wood pieces are, just let me close this, are right here. They make great ASMR, this wood.
And code tiles.
So the code tiles, as you could see, they're right here. Also great for ASMR.
And supports.
The supports are right here.
Handle.
Handle is on the top. Jaws is right here. The core is inside that orange thing right there. You see? That is the core.
Corner.
The core of your body.
Corner cam plates.
Corners is right here.
Oh, so many pieces here.
So I think I'll keep it open actually. Just like do this. Stay
It's
there.
amazing
Okay,
how
have a
you
good day.
assemble that. Yeah.
I'll just keep it. Whatever. So that is all that we have for this part. But we didn't. Never mind. Just don't talk about it. Anyway, let's go on to the next slide. So the 3 parts of building. Part A, build the vault. Part B, make the tumbler. Part C, add the jaws. So first we're supposed to make the vault where all your stuff goes in.
Okay, so you assemble the tumbler for vault first. Then
the vault.
Part B, you did.
Part B, it doesn't include that. So part B is make the tumbler, which is inside of here. And then part C, add the jaws. Right here.
Good.
Jaws that open, close.
Wow. It's just like our mouth.
Yeah, you're right. Whatever, let's stop playing with this.
Next.
So each orange ring, which is known as a tumbler.
So let's talk about the lock idea.
So which is known as a tumbler, which is the orange ring. I keep on saying that. Can be set from 1 to 6 positions.
So 6 rings.
That's not a big number. When all 4 notches line up, they form a straight tunnel.
So you need a 4 code.
Yeah. So science. If they don't line up, motion is blocked.
So the 4 codes needs to be lined up there.
So you see this orange ring here, and you see the little giant bump right there, the orange part. Those are all of those, all around the whole secret vault. And then the yellow one is in underneath it, and you guys are probably wondering what that little bump part is. That is where the number for one of 4 numbers of your code will go in. So for example, that was the first ring that was on top. So it'll, for example, be 2 right here.
We'll talk about the next slide.
Yeah. Anyway, so write your code here. Well, we don't really have to write. It's already there for us. And then it can be any 4 numbers between 1 and 6. This is your code key. Code keys.
Basically, to have a code, you need 4 numbers. to break the code, right?
Yep.
Right code,
the code.
tunnel opens.
So code, I'm saying write the code. Tunnel opens. When you set the rings to the correct 4-digit code, all 4 notches will line up in a row.
Yeah.
Psst, P.S. You guys will know the code soon, but you're gonna have to guess it yourself. So the fence now has a clear path to slide. And you guys are probably wondering, why am I saying fence? Like, Lena, why are you saying fence? Actually, the reason why I'm saying fence, so if all the things that you put down in the fence to slide, it'll block the other side.
Security guard, yeah.
Yeah, those are the security guards. Yeah. So if the code is
all mixed up,
the thingamajig is blocked, you can't take it out to go to the other side, like a gate. If the gate, pretend your gate has like a digital code to open. So if the digital code is wrong, you can't open it. But when it's right, the code is not blocked, then you can open it. Open, close, open, close. Actually, I do have a gate. Anyway, so here, that's not my code, by the way. That's just what they used. And look, it's all in a straight line, like that. So if they were to be mixed up, then it wouldn't open. Like, let me just change it. There. No, it can't open. But if I turn it back, now it can open. So the vault has 4 rings. Using the slot method, think of each ring as a slot. So this is actually where the math part is.
So one number is there, one slot. How many choices?
So the vault has 1,297, and you definitely did not see that at the front.
Lena, answer my question. One slot, how many choices?
So one slot has 6. 1 out of 6 choices.
Can you show me
I got
in
my
that
handy dandy pen.
Can you show me in that tumbler there?
So as you can see, there's number 1 here, there's number 2 here, there's number 3 here, there's number 4 here, there's number 5 here.
So there
that's number 6 there.
6 choices. So
there's 6 choices. So
for one.
Yeah, just for one.
Yeah.
But so in all, never mind. So for the first one, there's 6. For the second one, how many choices are there, people? Tell me louder.
6 choices.
That's right, if you said 6. So 6 is also there. What's the next one, people?
6 again.
Oh, 6, you're right. And for reals, the last one is 6. So this is not my code still, but this is how many numbers can be in each slot. So it can be either 1.
How many tries?
It could be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that. And we're not doing that thing again. So each slot, 6 choices, multiply them. So 6 times 6 times 6. An easier way to say the 6th power of 4. I'm pretty sure that is right. And then that equals 1,296.
So you have a total 1,296 codes to break that.
And that's breathtaking.
Yeah, it's manually it's really hard, but if you have that slot method.
I was so surprised when I figured out that it actually had 1,296 codes possible.
So each slot people have 6 choices.
Yep.
So all 4 of them has that much, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Anyway, I think by snap, the other slide will be here. Let's see. Come on, work. The snap hasn't been working so often right now, so let's go again. There, it worked after like 1 second.
Okay, so here is the code break challenge.
So this is where you're gonna find out my code. Oops, I forgot that was there.
So story challenge. Let's see if you can.
Just let me put this in.
Yeah.
Get in. Okay. While I have a difficulty doing that, I just did it when I said difficult. This is my lucky day.
Okay.
So Lena is looking for a secret code, which is me. She looked through a 3-sided window. Like, what am I doing?
The keyword is there.
I never looked through a 3-sided window. That's just a story. So next, you recall the 3 states of matter. Can you guys say the 3 states of matter? If you don't know it, that's fine. If you know, that's awesome. So next, she saw a scooter bouncing proudly on one wheel. I've seen a bike on one wheel, but I never seen a scooter on one wheel. I might have to look that up on the computer.
This is silly.
Yeah, and then finally, she looked into the sky and saw, she looked through a satellite and saw that Earth had 2 poles. So comment down below and see what my code is.
Let me guess.
Well, guess what my code is.
3312.
How is it 3312?
Because there is a secret number there in each sentences.
Yes, there is actually. Like I said, 3 on the first one, like 3-sided window. I never seen that. Unless if you put 1 here, like I'll draw it out for you guys. So 1 here, a second one here, and a third one right there.
Yeah.
Unless if it looked like that, but I never seen that before.
Anyway, is it correct?
So let's check out. It was definitely not at 3312. I need to change it. Okay, so I put in 3312. I don't think you guys can see it, but it says it 3312. And hint, if you know where the code is, if you forgot where your code is supposed to go, maybe I thought it was over here. That is so wrong. You see this little dent? It's so small. That is where your code is going to go. So for example, I forgot where my code is supposed to go. I remember I have to look where this line is. So the answer, let's see if it's 3312.
It's not lined up.
It is lined up. Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, drum roll, please.
3321. The
It
door is
opened. Let's see if it actually opens. It opened.
Good.
Let's see what's inside.
We did our challenge. Code challenge.
Yes, some more time. Again. Well, so if you guys guessed right, that is awesome. That's great. So, well, anyway, this is my lucky day. Okay, well, I think I need to call my neighbors again because this is not. Let's see if it works. It's not working. Before we go into the next slide, I need to tell you about this. You think it's a little animal, don't you? But then you see all this robotics inside that I'm doing. Let's make it lay down because she's so cute. Boy, I don't know. So this is actually a light up disco animal, I'm pretty sure.
That's the next project. Okay.
This is a hint of our next project. It makes a disco.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a disco party in the video that we make this. I mean, not make. We do a video about this.
Yeah.
And we'll have the first disco party time ever in Lena's Pretend Play.
Nice. Wait, I'm so excited to do the disco dance.
You people should be excited to do this. So she's gonna lay down. Not really. Now she's gonna lay down and go to sleep. Good night. Well, oops. For now, wait. My slide is still not here. People, thanks for the slide. Thank you. Well, for now, thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play.
Thank you for teaching us the slot method, Lena. We really enjoyed.
For now, bye.